Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Vlad, a pediatrician specializing in autism for children. As a pediatrician, I know there's a lot of interest in new cutting edge treatments for autism. Today, we'll discuss stem cell therapy as well as exosome therapy and answer, are these the real answer? Let's explore the science and see what the future holds. Autism is a complex neurodevelopmental disorder and there is no single cure. But researchers are exploring innovative therapies, including stem cells and the tiny particles that the stem cells release that are called exosomes. So, stem cell therapy involves using stem cells, which have the ability to become any different cell type in the body. Now, scientists are looking into using stem cell transplants to treat certain brain and spinal cord problems where damaged nerves need to regrow, such as spinal cord injuries. However, autism is different. It's a developmental issue which focuses on how the brain connects and not particular damage that needs repair. So using stem cells wouldn't necessarily be a logical treatment for autism from a biological standpoint. It can also be very risky with harms that I will discuss, as well as prohibitively expensive for families. Results from human trials so far have been mixed. The highest quality study completed in 2020 have not shown that benefits of stem cell infusions for autism symptoms at all. The next question is, well, what about the exosomes that are released by stem cells? Okay, so exosomes are like tiny messengers that are released by stem cells. They carry important molecules that might be responsible for the effects that they have. Early animal studies do show promise that exosomes, which come from stem cells, seem to improve social behavior, communication, and repetitive behaviors in mice with autism. However, humans are not the same as mice. Many promising treatments in the past that have worked in mice have failed to show any support or help for humans at all whatsoever. The likelihood that exosomes would help is rather low based on human research from stem cells, which during those stem cell infusions, they also contained exosomes in them as well. So separating the exosomes on their own would also, from a logical standpoint, not likely work either. Just as with any other treatments, these come with risks. Patients should be aware that because stem cell treatments in autism are unproven, we do have to keep in mind the risks of injection site reactions, failure of the stem cells to work as we expected, the growth of tumors in the body, infections, the potential for contamination of the product, and the ability of these cells to move from where they were placed and multiply or change into inappropriate cell types. Recently, in Nebraska, some patients who were treated with products that were marketed as containing exosomes had serious adverse reactions, including bacterial infections. While the science is exciting, it's still early days. More research is needed to determine if exosome therapy is safe and effective for treating autism in humans. As of today, April 2024, these are not currently an approved or effective therapy for autism. For parents living in New York State, navigate autism with confidence. Call my office at the number below to start your child's tailored developmental journey today. Imagine a future filled with hope and new possibilities for children with autism. With continued research and support, that future is on the horizon, but it may not be here just quite yet.